orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Friendship Day Picnic. It was Friendship Day, and today all the friends together decided to have a picnic. That's why Goody reaches outside Gattu Chinky's house with a big mat and calls out to them.
Gattu Chinky, come out quickly. Where are you? Gattu Chinky.
Gattu Chinky come out quickly.
Hey Goody, you came? Happy Friendship's Day, my best friend. Happy Friendship's Day to you too, Chinky, and Gattu, you too. Same to you, Goody. But where are the rest of them? Can't see them anywhere. What? I thought Hari and Bunty must have come. These two, they are always late. Till then, come inside, Goody. See, Mummy has packed our snacks for us. Okay, let's go and see then.
Gattu Chinky take Goody inside and show her all the snacks.
See, Goody, Mummy has made sandwiches and muffins. And Gattu, my mummy has also packed homemade chow mein. It is very yummy. Then it will be a lot of fun. I will also keep coloring books. We will all do coloring together. Hey Chinky, in the park we will see so many things. And then we will draw after seeing them. It will be so much fun.
Just then Bunty and Hari also come there.
Yes, and we will also play a lot of games. Happy Friendship's Day, friends.
Happy Friendship Day to everyone from my side too.
Happy Friendship's Day!
Kids, you all seems to be very excited. Have a lot of fun. And yes, come back before it gets dark.
Okay.
Then all the kids quickly take all their stuff and reach the park. Due to the good weather, there were already many people over there. Some kids were on the swing, while some were walking along with their parents.
Wow, what a nice weather it is. Hey Gattu, talk about it later. First, help in setting the mat with me and Goody. This mat is very big. So ask someone else, Chinky. I am going to enjoy on the swing. Gattu, you can swing later. We have come here for a picnic. We sit on the swing every day. Okay, fine. I will get all the work done right now.
Gattu starts to lay down the mat. Goody Chinky also help him. Hari and Bunty also start to take out their stuff. And all the lunch boxes were kept under a tree. Just then someone behind the tree sneakily takes the lunch box kept on the top of other lunch boxes. When Chinky comes to get lunch boxes and stuff after laying the mat.
What is this? We bought 5 lunch boxes. How come only 4 are here? What happened, Chinky? What are you thinking? Come quickly. Goody, look, there are only 4 lunch boxes. We bought 5, right? Yes, we did bring 5.
Then Chinky's eyes fall behind the tree, where a piece of sandwich was lying and sounds of eating were coming. Chinky and Goody go behind the tree.
Got you!
It was no one else but Monty, who was enjoying sandwiches from Gattu Chinky's tiffin.
Auntie, you? Monty, why did you eat our sandwiches without asking us? If you eat so much, you will become more fat.
If I ask, would you give it to me? By the way, these are very yummy sandwiches.
After saying this, Monty runs away from there. Chinky and Goody try to catch him.
Monty, you? Stop! Give us back our sandwiches. Chinky, let it be. Instead of catching him, we should go back and have our picnic. But sandwiches! Now we won't get those back. There are still 4 tiffins. Let's go back.
Chinky Goody come back. and see that Hari, Bunty and Gattu had spread the mat and had kept all the tiffins and stuff properly over it.
Look, Goody, Chinky, aren't we boys amazing?
Really, you guys actually did a great job.
Come on then, let's start a picnic. Yay!
Yay!
All the children sit together.
Come on, let's first do some drawing. We will also make real drawing by looking at people and different things in the park. It will be so much fun.
Yes, I will make a drawing of that swinging child.
And I of that tree. Just see how artistic it looks. What is artistic in that? So what you will make, Bunty?
Me? I will make all of us while having a picnic.
Wow, great idea, Bunty. Come, let's start then.
All the kids start drawing. And with that, they also eat muffins made by Mummy. In a short while, everyone's drawings are ready.
Look, I made a dog. It looks good, right?
Yes, Gattu. And look, I made a flower garden. And also Mali uncle. And look at these swinging kids. Good, na?
And just have a look at my tree too.
Leave all this. Are you all ready to see my drawing or not?
Yes, show us, Bunty.
Look at this. We all are having a picnic.
In Bunty's drawing, they were all sitting on the mats and having a picnic.
Wow, what an amazing drawing you made, Bunty.
Yes, you're right. We all are always going to take care of these drawings. Okay, this is the drawing of our first Friendship Day picnic.
Okay. Come on, let's have lunch now. I am feeling very hungry.
We know, Gattu, you are feeling hungry ever since your lunch has been packed.
All the kids start laughing.
Yes. Then why to delay? Let's have lunch.
Okay, but first take this. Everyone use sanitizer.
Goody gives sanitizer to everyone. And everyone has lunch after cleaning their hands.
Wow, such nice chow mein.
It's good that Monty did not take this lunch.
Hello, did anyone take my name?
Everyone gets scared after seeing Monty there.
Monty, now we will not let you take our lunch. Understand?
Really?
Okay. But today is Friendship Day and you all are having a Friendship Day picnic. Are you not going to invite me to your picnic, please?
No, absolutely no. You ate our sandwiches without asking.
But look, I have bought candies in return. That too for everyone.
What? Candies?
Then definitely you can join us.
What? But if there is any mischief in it too?
No, I promise there is no problem. Please let me join you guys too. Okay, Monty, come let's have lunch together. We have a lot of lunch.
Monty gets happy on hearing this. And then everyone has lunch together. Afterwards, everyone eats the candies brought by Monty and play a lot of games.
I had a lot of fun today.
Yes, Gattu, this was the best Friendship Day so far.
Well, you all are quite irritating, but still not that bad.
Huh! Look at him. He's still calling us irritating. He himself is like a monkey.
Oh, Chinky, this is a Friendship Day gift for you. I forgot only to give this to you.
What? A gift for me?
Chinky gets happy and opens the gift. But a fake lizard comes out of it. Seeing which, Chinky gets scared.
Lizard!
If I am a monkey, you are a lizard. Bye-bye.
After saying this, Monty runs away again.
I am not going to leave him.
Leave it, Chinky. Let's all go home now. Mummy must be waiting for us.
Yes, let's go.
Then all the children return to their homes.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.